Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to prepare watercress for soup, ensuring it's perfectly clean and ready for your delicious meal. First, you'll want to give your watercress a really good wash. Place the bunches in a large basin or sink filled with cold water. Gently swish them around to loosen any dirt, sand, or tiny critters that might be hiding. It's important to repeat this washing process 2 or 3 times until the water is completely clear, guaranteeing a clean start for your soup. Next, let's talk about trimming and sorting. Carefully inspect your watercress, looking for any leaves that are yellow, wilted, or bruised. These should be removed and discarded. While some recipes suggest removing all stems, for soup, you'll want to keep the tender ones. They contribute wonderful flavor and nutrients. Simply snap off any stems that feel particularly tough or woody, usually found at the very bottom of the bunch, leaving the more pliable parts. Now it's time for chopping. Once your watercress is clean and sorted, you'll want to cut it into manageable pieces for your soup. A good length is typically around 3 to 5 inches. This size allows the watercress to cook evenly and makes it easy to enjoy in each spoonful. Using a sharp knife will ensure clean cuts, preventing the leaves and tender stems from bruising. Aim for relatively uniform pieces to achieve a consistent texture throughout your finished soup. For the final step, give your chopped watercress one last quick rinse under cold water. This ensures any last bits of debris are washed away. Then, gently pat it dry with a clean kitchen towel or paper towels. Your beautiful, vibrant watercress is now perfectly prepared and ready to be incorporated into your favorite soup recipe. Remember, watercress is best enjoyed fresh, so try to use it soon after you've prepared it for the most delicious results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.